Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it's from Daniel Wellington newest jewelry collection. So I have some necklace and bracelet and some rings as well to show you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. So let's start off with the one on top. I actually open it up and use it, so if I open and it looks kind of messy, it's because I actually use it and put it back. So yeah, it comes in this box which says, as per normal, Daniel Wellington. Right, so it's like their first necklace line, and I really like this. This is the Aspiration series, and yeah, it's like this really nice ball. I'll show you guys a close-up as well. So this is the close-up of the ambitious Aspiration necklace. So this is how it looks like when I wear them. The main body is made of ceramic, and the chain is made of stainless steel plated in rose gold. It comes in either the color white or black, and it comes with the signature logo as well, which is really elegant and timeless. So next up, I'm gonna pick from here then. Oh, so this is the Elan Bracelet. So I'll show you guys a close-up so you guys can get a clearer idea of what I'm talking about. So this the Elan Bracelet is similar to the previous classic bracelet design, but it's designed a way to pair with the Elan Ring, which I'll show you guys later. It comes in two different colors, either silver or rose gold. And like I said, I love rose gold color, so I choose the rose gold design. It also comes in three different sizings, so there's one for everybody. I love how it's very eye-catching but not over the top, so it's just right to pair with a lot of different outfits. Next, I'm gonna pick something small from here. So I think this is the ring. So the ring is in a smaller box as compared to the necklace or the bracelet, as you can see. So this is a close-up of the Elan Ring, which I mentioned that it can be paired with the Elan Bracelet earlier. I picked in the color rose gold to match it together. I love that it's very captivating. It's like the perfect finish touch or point that you can match with any outfit. There is also the Daniel Wellington engraved on the ring, and it comes in various of size as well. And it's just really comfortable. And yeah, I really love wearing it on a daily basis. It's also unisex, so man or woman can both wear them. So this is how it looks like when you wear the Elan bracelet and ring all together. Personally, I find that it's a very lovely combination to wear them together, or you can wear them separately like this. So yeah. Lastly, I think it's gonna be another necklace. So it's also packed in their box, and when you open it up, so this is the close-up of the Emalie Necklace. It's actually inspired by their classic ring white collection. It's the perfect combination of dainty and adorable. And it comes in this stainless steel necklace as well. So that's how the back of the necklace looks like, with the lock system to secure your necklace in place safely. I really like how secure it is. So that's how it looks like when I wear them on. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!